Assalam to everyone. My name is Mujtaba. You are on the Smart Indian channel. Today we're going to have a first look and an unboxing review of Predator Helios 300 by Acer. This laptop is a gaming laptop which is specifically designed for the audience who are concentrating more on gaming on this laptop, and obviously you can use it for content creation. General usage of a computer should also suffice. Now we will discuss more about the laptop in a bit. The details of what we get in the box, I've already unboxed it, as you can see. We get this box inside the big box by Flipkart. This box contains the laptop and some paperwork inside of it. The paperwork is obviously something which we will not be going through because I want to keep the video short, and this is just an overview, guys. Again, I will post a full review of the laptop once I start using it. I've been with the laptop for say 7 days. We'll discuss of what I've observed on the laptop, and I'll give you full specifications. Firstly, let's talk about the design. On the top you see this logo, a beautiful logo by Acer. This is the trademark of the Predator series. This is obviously backlit. The other strings or the design that you see on the laptop is not backlit. A very minimal design, I would say, which is pretty good. Looks pretty good. You don't have to worry about carrying it in an official meeting. If you are going to use it for that purpose, that is still all right. Doesn't look very bad. Now on the side we can see that there is a Kensington lock, a heat dissipation vent, a Ethernet jack, USB 3.1 generation, and this is the first generation, and this is a 3.5 jack. On the other side we see that there is a type C, which is also 3.2. That's good. This is 3.2 USB type A. However, this is the second generation, which is going to be a bit more faster than the other two. This is the HDMI, and this is the display extension port. You can connect another display if you want to use it for an extended gaming. This is again a heat dissipation. Now on the back of the laptop you see there's two huge vents which are I would say which is going to help the laptop a lot to dissipate a lot of heat at a point, and we'll discuss and come to the thermals in a bit. We here see again a charging port which is provided at the back. I would say it's a bit more handy than having it at the side. On the back you see that this comes with the Aeroblade 4th generation technology by Acer. The thermals on this machine are extremely good. I would say the machine comes with i7 10th gen 10750H processor, paired with 1 TB of HDD and 256 TB of SSD. That's the storage for the device. The respective storages are expandable to up to 2 TB. I haven't opened the laptop from the back, but as I have observed by some other reviewers, that this comes with two slots of NVMe drive, so it's expandable up to 2 TB, guys. That's great. Now next thing is about the RAM of the laptop. This variant that I'm reviewing has 16 gigs of RAM, which is DDR4 2666 megahertz. It can be expanded up to 32 GB. This one has 8 and 8 as I think, and it also has two slots, and both of them are expandable to 16 GB each. I've already booted up the laptop. The graphic card, now this is the selling point of the laptop. This comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. Yes, that's a 20 series. This variant that I've purchased has the 20 series. It also comes with a 1650 Ti, which is I think going to be just 15 to 20,000 less than this one, and the other one is I think priced at around 1,30,000. This machine that I'm reviewing, guys, is again at a price of 1,35,000. Now yes, it's going to leave a hole in your pocket, but there are some other options where you can use the Flipkart EMI options as well. I mean, Flipkart provides you with such great no cost EMI options, so that's good. Kudos to Flipkart for providing us the opportunity. Now the trackpad of the device is completely accurate, is fantastic. The trackpad looks great. The keyboard is also a full size keyboard, so you don't get the 60%. It's not cut out. The keys are good. The keys are not small. The spacing is adequate. The typing speed that you're going to get on this laptop is pretty good as well. Now, this here is a vent for the laptop to suck the air in and for those fans to dissipate it out to keep the processor and the graphic card cool and the whole laptop itself. The screen of the laptops comes with a 144 Hz 3 millisecond response rate, full HD TFT LCD display. This is obviously an anti-glare panel. It works pretty good, I would say. Can play up to 2K videos. 4K videos would have been even better at this price point, but that's all right. That's what we have, guys. We got to manage with it. The display is pretty good. The colors are punchy. Blacks are good blacks. The colors are pretty good, as you could see. Brightness of this laptop can go up to 300 nits, so the brightness is not a concern as well. The other details that I want to talk with you, it comes with obviously the Acer Predator Control Center. It's called the Predator Sense. It also comes with the Killer Control Center, as Acer calls it. That's a control center to control the various details and specifications of your laptop. It also comes with a Wave Max audio system, which is in addition to the Wave NX. The sound quality on this laptop, as I have observed, is not that good. The laptop does sound that it does not have that much power to it. It would have been better if they would have provided some more audio quality to it. If the mic is able to pick up, I am still playing the video in the background. The video that you are able to see on the screen is something which I'm playing with the sound. Now I'm gonna max it out. This is at 100, and I'm gonna fill the brightness as well, so that you could see if this is the display that you're looking for. The display is good, the colors are good, the viewing angles is fantastic. Even if you view this from a 90-degree angle, you'll still be able to see it. Yes, the brightness might have to go up a bit, but this is just one of the best displays that I've seen in some time. The selling or the buying point for me for this laptop especially was the build quality of this laptop. This screen, this lid of the laptop is completely made of aluminum. The keyboard itself is also made of aluminum. There is no flex whatsoever when you type on the keyboard. The screen wobble, there is very minimal screen wobble, I would say. If you could see, yeah, very minimal screen wobble. There's no flex, not a lot of flex. The keyboard of the laptop feels good and premium. Now if I type anything here, if I just lock it and I type anything, there's no problem at all. So the keyboard is all good. One more thing, guys, the laptop comes with a Wi-Fi 6 card in it, so you can use it for any connectivity. Should not be a problem on this laptop at all. The laptop is something which is also available on Acer's website. I think you might be able to get some more options out of the Acer's website, wherein the laptop could be sold for a lesser price, where there are more discounts. So that's there. I've purchased some accessories for this laptop as well. Now if you want, I can make a video for the accessories which you should buy actually for every laptop when you purchase a new one to protect it. Purchase the brand bag from Acer, the Predator. I'll release a video of that within a week time, and we'll discuss more about what other accessories are required for this laptop. And we are obviously going to test some more games on it. I'll give you a full review in detail about how it works and how the laptop behaves in terms of the graphics, because the price point of this laptop, guys, is a bit higher when compared to the other laptops offered by some other brands, but none of those laptops combine the 10750H processor with a 20 series Nvidia GPU. This one, the GPU is DDR6, so it's just awesome. We will discuss more about the gaming again. The battery performance on this laptop is, I would say, normal or above average. If you run it on performance mode, it will last for 2 or 2.5 hours to 3 hours. if you're using it on full brightness and performance mode. Now if you're using it on normal mode, it can give up to 3 to 3.5 hours, depends on what you're using. And if you're just using browsing or using YouTube or playing some very normal games which is not going to use the DDR6 a lot, then it will be giving you on a battery saver up to 4 to 4.5 hours, to 5 hours as well, where I was able to stretch it up to 5 hours with general browsing. Now the one more thing, the keyboard is an RGB backlit keyboard. You can control it from the Predator Sense, and that, my friend, is one advantage that you have in terms of the laptops that are on display. You see here, I've launched the Predator Sense. The lighting control, overclocking, fan control is everything which is present here. Let me just show you how it looks. So this is the Predator Sense. It shows you the temperature, shows you lighting, overclocking, monitoring, game sync, app center. When you launch the laptop, it comes with the Predator logo. If you want, I can just switch it off and switch it back on so that you can check the boot time of the laptop as well, which I would say is pretty good. The boot time of the laptop is pretty good. You see that there are a couple of indicators here. If you're able to see, this one is for the battery, and the one here is to show that the laptop is still running. Now I'm gonna load it up very quickly for you. Let's see how quickly it loads up. Then I've pressed the button. Now you can see the light, the RGB light comes on as well. Okay, I hope that the mic was able to catch that. That was a sound animation or an audio animation by Acer, which looks pretty cool. Yes, obviously there are customizations which you can complete for that using the Predator Sense Center. The laptop is pretty good, guys. I would say that if you have a budget of up to 1 lakh or more than that, you can obviously go for this one. So kudos. You're looking for anything else, you can obviously ping me or use the description box. We will get back to you as soon as we could. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Do consider liking and sharing the video. Also do consider subscribing to my channel, since I'm going to be sharing some more details about the same laptop, comparisons with the other brands, and some accessory videos that is going to be released in the next couple of weeks. Please stay tuned to the channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.